Let's solve this question. The number of people in an auditorium is a perfect square not greater than 400. So number of people is perfect square which is greater than equal to 400. Which of the following cannot be the ratio of males to females in the auditorium? Assuming that only males and females are present in this auditorium, then among these options, which of the option cannot be the ratio of males to females in the auditorium? Now consider the options one by one. So in option A, if males to female ratio is 71:73, so total number of people would be in the ratio 144, or we can say total number of people would be a multiple of 144. It can be 144, second multiple 288, third multiple would be greater than 400. Because number of people are less than 400, I am taking these two multiples. So can it be the ratio of male and female? Yes, it can be a ratio of male and females, because I am getting 144 here, which is perfect square and which is less than 400. And it was the condition in the question that number of people is a perfect square not greater than 400. So which of the following I have to find cannot be the ratio? So it can be the ratio, yes. 144 is a perfect square less than 40. So this cannot be my answer. Taking option B, 137, ratio of males to females is 137 is to 61. So the total number of people would be multiple of 198. So number of people can be 198 into 2, that is 396, and I will consider only these two values, and among these two values no value is perfect square, but number of people in this auditorium is a perfect square. So this ratio cannot be possible, or it might be my answer. It can be my potential answer. Now check the option C. This ratio males to female is 149 is to 251. The number of people would be multiple of 400. So the first value of this is 400. So yes, this ratio is possible. If males are 149, females are 241, then total number of people will be 400, which is a perfect square and it is equal to 400. So yes, this is a perfect square. This is also possible. So it cannot be my answer. Last is 101 is to 61. So number of people would be multiple of 162. So number of people would be 162 into 324. Yes, these two values are less than 400, and 324 is a perfect square, which is square of 18. So this is also possible that males are 202 and females are 122, and total number of people would be 324, which is a perfect square and less than 400. So it cannot be my answer. So the correct answer to this question is option B.